the buy for Moon and Super Robos here, looking at Litecoin, which we haven't seen for a moment. It would appear interacting with resistance overhead. We are coming from $60.47, a resistance level that has been giving us a hard time ever since our initial rejection from it back in June of this year. Bearish Robos have returned. The sell for and heck are giving us a hard time at the moment, suggesting you should be reducing your Litecoin investments accordingly. We are interacting with our dashed local down trend line here, what appears still giving us a hard time. So right now that is still resistance, apparently. We are still waiting for that solid downtrend line way overhead there for that 30% downtrend line based investment ratio. That will be sometime ahead there, waiting for us once we kind of get to it. But locally, this dashed downtrend line seems to be still something we are respecting as resistance at the moment until confirmed otherwise. So watch out for continued moves downward here toward potential support we came from back in June of this year as well. $42 per Litecoin is where we may return to if continued downside were to play out and bearish robos remain. So you can watch out for $42 down there below as support, where you can invest your 20% support-based investment ratio. You can reinvest your 50% EngineeringRobo based investment ratio when 2 of our chosen 3 robos return to a bullish state. And I mentioned we're still waiting for that downtrend line overhead. You can use this local dashed downtrend line at your own discretion if you choose to. In my opinion, I'm not a huge fan of it and would be a rather high risk confirmation, though you can go with your own flow.